What up, YouTube? It's your boy Rob, aka Fresh Sense, coming at you with a quick whiff. Now, I know I've been gone for a minute when it comes to the review game, but I'm back for a moment with this right here. This probably means nothing to you, it means nothing to me too. I don't even know if this is important to the packaging, but and if you read the title, you already know what it is, but here we go. A little better. Golf LeFleur. So, I'm going to do an unboxing and a quick whiff of my first experience with this fragrance. Now, this fragrance comes to us from Tyler, the Creator. So this just debuted December 13th, and I ordered it day of. I figured it would sell out. It's actually still available on the website, which is, I guess, not much of a surprise. I don't think anyone is as hyped as fragrances as I am. There are a few people in the community, obviously, but I figure with the way it sounded, the way the details sounded of the scent, it sounded like it might be good. So it sounds like something I would like. Also, real quick, scent of the day for me right now is Marcus Francis, Mason Francis Kirkjohn, Baccarat 540. Wonderful scent. Today's the first day of winter, December 21st, and here we go. Here it is. Now, again, ordered it straight from the website. I believe it's $40 for 10 milliliters, $150 for 50 milliliters, and $200 for the 100 milliliters. And for me, the fragrance collector, as someone who likes to dabble and dip and dabble in fragrances, you got to get the 100 milliliter, especially because it's sort of like they did like the fry effect. Like, you know how they have large, medium, and small fries, small, medium, and large fries. And basically, the medium is just there to upsell the large fries. And honestly, they're pretty much the same. Like, you actually get more value for a small fry, I believe, because the price increase isn't that much. Okay, so we're peeling off the cellophane. And so it's a trophy-style box, so I believe I got to pull up. And here we go. Before we actually do that, this is called French Waltz. Like I said, it was developed by Tyler, the Creator. He's been working on this fragrance for a long time, apparently. And here goes what the box says. French Waltz is dozing off in the garden, sun beaming, drying off the leftover beads of lake water. Sweet floral winds blow in June. Golf LeFleur. Beautiful bottle, I gotta say. Sorry, beautiful box is what I gotta say. Here we go with the unboxing. Here we go. Nothing too crazy about the bottle itself. Let's take it out. Oh, I gotta say I'm a little disappointed already from what I smell. Although I peeled an orange earlier, so that could be the orange citrus smell that I'm smelling. So yeah, the bottle, nothing crazy. As per usual, information on the bottom. So it says 3.4 ounces, 100 milliliters, made in the USA. Fabrique aux Etis Unis, distributed by Golf LeFleur. All right, so here goes the first one. I'm so excited about this. Let's see. Look at the top really quickly before I open it up. French Waltz by Golf LeFleur. Okay. Without spraying it, I smell a lot of rose, which is actually good. I don't have very many rose scents or fragrances. What made me want to pick this up is because some of the accords mention jasmine, and I love the smell of jasmine. So let's put this on top of the Baccarat Rouge that I already have. Spin the nape of the neck. Okay. So spray it on my wrist, as you can see. Okay, I gotta say, very, very rose heavy. I smell a lot of rose on the opening. A lot of rose. I'm also smelling it up to my nose, which I shouldn't be doing. I don't have a scent clear. I should have had some like coffee or something to smell. Smell this candle really quickly. Okay, good foliage. Gotta say that. Definitely good foliage. Love the top. It's like a matte black going on here. But yeah, again, nothing too complicated. Very plastic top, glass bottle. I'll take this top off real quick. See if I can. Oh, can I take this off? There we go. Black on black. Feels like a cheap plastic for the actual sprayer itself. I gotta tighten the caps. I gotta spray it. There we go. Oh no, it didn't even go on. There we go. Cool. Yeah, I gotta say, first few seconds living with it, not incredibly impressed. Honestly, I'm happy to have it in my collection only because, well, I mean, I paid for it. I gotta live with the decision. But I don't have any rose fragrances. So I think if I had any sort of rose fragrances to start with, I might be a little disappointed in this, especially because it's $200 for 100 milliliters. I definitely bought it because I did a review in the past about artists who make fragrances, and Tyler claims to be super involved with the creation of this fragrance, which, you know, I was excited for. I get a very soapy vibe from it. Very soapy, like a clean, not soapy, but clean, like a very clean floral scent. As with any scent, this should die down a little bit. I mean, there's supposed to be mandarin in this. I don't smell much citrus, but I got, again, the foliage is very powerful. Like, this reminds me a little bit so far of the initial smell of Dior Sauvage Elixir, because it's just a powerful. I sprayed it a few times by now, and that could be what I'm getting that effect. But considering where I sprayed it, I smell it pretty intensely off of my skin. I expect it to die down, and at some point I'll do a full review of this scent. Maybe when it dries down a little bit more, in about 30 minutes, it might change. But so far, I just get a lot of rose. I don't get the sweetness of the jasmine just yet, and I don't think I will for a little bit. So okay, real quick, it's been about 4 hours or so, and the scent has really died down. The rosy foliage that was initially there is pretty much gone. It's now like a smooth, slightly sweet skin scent. I wouldn't say it smells like sandalwood to me. It's more floral. I would say that jasmine I was hoping to smell earlier on is definitely coming through. But I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't really being too cognizant of the scent as I was doing what I was doing. Anyways, I'll probably have a better feel of this fragrance when I do a full review. I'll probably live with it a few days before I do that too. So yeah. So if you're thinking of getting this scent, I would say pick it up if you don't have any rose fragrances. But if you're a guy looking for a new cologne to add to the collection, on initial spray, I will, off the top of my head, from a quick whiff, I gotta say it leans feminine to me. Not very masculine so far. Hopefully it dries down and gets a little musky. There's some more complexity. There's supposed to be some sandalwood in here. We'll see. So far, this is a meh for me. So far. It might change. For me, what would change it from being a meh to like, okay, yeah, it's an okay buy. Longevity. If this floral scent lasts with me for like around 4 hours, I'm with it. And even if the floral scent goes away, I think if it lasts for me, like the dry down, the sandalwood still projects, or whatever smells are left over with the base and the heart notes, if it still projects off of the skin, like this, in about 4 hours, it's definitely an okay, or even like a supported buy. But for now, I'd say save the money. But again, this is a quick whiff. So I'll end it here. If you have this fragrance, please let me know in the comment section below. If you've missed me, let me know in the comment section below. Just talk to me. Trying to get the community active. Anyways, until next time, I bid you guys adieu. And as always, stay fresh, people.